In this video we're going to look at parameter name XSS. So launch the lab and I'll put in a basic XSS payload. And that's not triggered, and if we look at the source code we can see that the less than and greater than have been sanitized and they've become ampersand less than semicolon. Okay, now the name of the lab gives us a hint, so let's see what happens if we add another parameter. So if I go in the URL and do foo equals bar, and we can see that this parameter is reflected as well, and let's try an XSS payload in there, and that also is escaped. Okay, so we can put other parameters in, but the values are sanitized. Now, there is another point that we can inject. So if we go into the parameter name, put a payload there, and we can see now with the text is italicized, if we look in the source, we have injected an italics tag. Okay, so let's get our JavaScript payload, and let's replace this italics tag with script, payload and script, and there we go, our payload's triggered. And just to be sure, let's take that URL and let's paste it in here, and let's see if it exploits the headless browser. And there we go. So we've successfully solved the lab. So this is worth bearing in mind, because it's not just parameter values that can be vulnerable, it can be parameter names as well.